Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And today I'm super excited. Me and my brother are gonna go to explore this Phe Phe fall. Okay, and this is our first time going there. We haven't been there. I have seen picture of it. He haven't seen picture of it, so it's gonna be exciting. Yeah, we told our friend who have been there, and they told us that before reaching the Tulumuvi bridge, we just follow the water downstream, and then it will take around 20 minutes to reach the waterfall. And I don't know, haven't been there. This is our first time, and yeah, I'm gonna be ready right now. I'm gonna pack. So now I'm done packing, I'll contact him, and then we'll meet up, and then we'll just go. Okay, apparently we are running late. It's 10:30 right now, so we plan to go at 8 o'clock, and it's my fault. And I'm gonna go with my brother here, Travis. Hello. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna go to the station. I'm gonna take a cab over there, and then hopefully that we can get off early so we can reach there in time by noon. We just get off at this tunnel here, and now the local is telling us that we have to go through this side over here, and then over that tree over there, then we'll probably be reaching that fall. So I don't know, let's see. Oh, there is a trail here, look. It's nice. So we're just gonna follow this trail. Right now is that we will follow this stream here. This stream here, we'll follow it, and then it will reach to the fall. Hopefully, we look at the map, and the map's shown like that. So we talk to the people also, and they are so nice, and they told us that if we just follow this path over here, just go on, and then we will surely get to the fall. So let's go. I mean, look at this view over here. Look. Oh. Listen. So calm, so peaceful. We are very, very close. We can see all the people over there at the top of the fall. Yeah, really close. Oh, so cold. Oh, questa qui era. Here, I think we are almost at the top of the waterfall. Look, over there. So that's the first waterfall. Now we're going to see the second drop right now. You can hear it. I think we are very, very near. Let's go. There are people down there. Wow. Come here, ma. Ở đây gì thế? Chào Phe Phe. Có một đầu na miết thì này. Đó. Có một video ở mấy bài cái đó. Yang na đi cái nào đó. Kau senang mah kerap Phe? Ma. Okay, and then probably this is the last time coming here without any entries. Ladies and gentlemen, after walking for 45 minutes, I give you Phe Phe Fall. Yeah, as I went down to see the waterfall, I was trying to shoot maybe 10 clips for making cinematic scene. But since I swim, so it is so cold that I could not hold my camera straight. I was shaking, I was literally shaking. But right now, as you can see, the main fall is over there, and then we are going down here. And I think there's another drop here. There is another drop here. Let's see.
Close to me, that's all I need.
Bonjour, Inam. Comment ça va?
This is my favorite waterfall up to date. I just love everything about it.
So, Inam, how are you feeling?
A bit tired and
Satisfied?
yeah, very, very satisfied. Didn't expect that the water would be so clear. What is your main highlight?
The swimming, that crystal clear water, those beautiful stones, the sand and everything. It was just...
For me, the one that really shocked me is that, that hole where the water before reaching the top. It was behind here. It was really. It's 4 o'clock right now, and 30 minutes before the sunset, and it's just want to say that today, wow, after seeing that waterfall, it's really relaxing. So it makes me feel relaxed and inspiring, motivating. It's just how beautiful the place is, and it's just only around probably 15 or no, like 20 kilometers from my home, and this is my first time coming here, so it's getting dark, so I'm gonna return home right now. I'm gonna end my vlog today here. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really, really appreciated it, and take care, be healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.